Welcome back, people. For you guys know say a live friend, but today, people, my subscriber and my supporter, me I deal with Steam Okra with Franks today. So this is okra, Maggie, brown rice, and you know Jamaican style go. 2 onion and the ketchup in it. So you don't know say right about now we are gonna make it thing up more live. Alright, people. First step, me I go wash your okra now. Alright, people. Want to like and subscribe, yeah, people? Alright, people. Wash your okra, see it? Make sure you know say clean and we just throw it in there. Wipe around, look slow still, but don't know say things set. Only for people they won't pan sat there, you don't know a lockdown time, so say things set. So I'm gonna cut up here now. Alright, people, I'm going to catch the water upon it. Then I put a little salt in it and put it on the fire. Not enough salt. If I rasta, we don't use enough salt in everything. So, live. So I'm going to lock off the pipe now, people. Alright, people, so I'm going to half cook it. After I half cook it, I chain off the water, cut up my franks. And then me put in it and make it cook 5 minutes and cut up me 2 onions in it and serve it with brown rice also live. Light this stove all about it. Alright, people, I make it cook for about 8 minutes. I don't know me have to do my thing proper and good. Alright, people, me while you I go and cook, me I go and cut up grace franks, cause no franks like them here. So, right now, I'm going to cut up grace franks. People, I'm going to wash your rice now. Alright, people, I've washed the rice neatly and good. So this a video I do is a special video. Some want to know mount up it to a 2K subscriber. Please and thanks, people. Live. People really support you all around who watch my video and give me strength. So you have to respect all my viewers and all my subscribers. You have to just tell them some thank you. Let's get in the video, people. Alright, people. I'm going to add me garlic in it now. Right, and a piece of butter. Piece of butter. You know, look salt, not a much salt, because we put butter in it, we don't want it too salt. I'm going to light this stove here now, put it on it, and I'm going to see what I go. Alright, people, meanwhile the rice go and cook, I'm going to show you in a okra pot. You have to cook now, so I'm going to strain it off. I'm going to strain it off right now. Oh, kid, I'm going to see hot tea, man. Watch steam, people. I'm strain it off right now. See how cool them, people. So, I'm going to fry Frankfurter here. Now, I'm going to see what I go on them. I just drop your okra them pan it, cut up my onion and put my Maggie pan it, and everything moves up. Live. Here go on hot. Stay tuned. Alright, people, so I'm going to cut up the onion now. See there? I cut up the onion. People, yeah, it's hot, so I'm going to drop my franks right now. So I'm telling you, people, just watch the thing and subscribe, comment, like, and share. From your voice, you know, say a life win comedy. You know, go down the lane and straight on the main. So subscribe and comment, do the right thing. Big up all of my Alright, people, fire now. So I'm going to stir it. and put the onion first, and then we put the okra in it. Stir it, people. Put the okra in it now. See it, people, live. See it, people. I pretty. Put a little bit of Maggi in it. Put a little bit of Maggi in it to keep the flavor, not enough. And then you stir it and make it simmer down till. Alright, people, see it cook down here now, so I'm going to add back some okra water to it to get cherry now. People, look nice and pretty now. I can't wait for learning but live. Wow, you pat pretty people, me I tell you, watch it. Me I stir all the okra in Frankfurter and everything. And look how you pat nice, me can't wait for that. So people, the rice cook. So we are get to share it now. I'm gonna see what I go on. Peace, I'm out. Let's set up. Live. Alright people, see it there people. Alright people, see it there. Nice. Nice people. Nice. See it there people. Nice. Live. Alright people, you see it look nice and things. So you want to do people. All of my viewers them and my support, I want to just subscribe. Can me to 2K. 2K people. Live, I'm hot.